In today's video, me and Jake head to Shropshire to do some hiking and a wild camp in the hills. We trek into a lovely spot to pitch the tents and spend a night. I hope you enjoy. Hi, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be doing a little bit of a wild camp with Jake from Jake's Journey Mate. At the minute we're in Shropshire. We drove here, stayed in the van last night, and now we're going to head out on a little wild camp. But this is going to be a little micro adventure and making the most of time, and when you feel like you just got to get out. It's a bit chilly up here, isn't it? We just climbed up this big, well, it's not that big, but it was a bit of a mission with the bags on up this hill. We got all our camping gear with us. Jakey's going to try out his new Lanshan 2 Pro tent that I bought him for his birthday.
I'm really buzzing, man. Looks sweet as. Thank you again.
Going to carry on walking up this hill and find somewhere to set the tents up, get a nice view, see a nice sunset. It is so nice to get out. The sun is going to set soon. I reckon we'll get a lovely sunset. We're just heading up this little hill here. Then we're going to follow this ridge across. There's a little flat section up there. We're going to pitch the tents. Just found a little beaut spot for tonight's camp. Really nice. It feels like we're in the Lake District, we were just saying, even though we're in Shropshire. If you camped around in Shropshire, then let me know. Never been here before, but it's so stunning. Absolutely beautiful. Not being funny, but this is lush. Look at that. Absolutely stunning. Here's the man with the ledge, Jake's Journey Mate, just trying out his new tent.
I'm really enjoying putting this up so far. It looks like it's going to be a little easy put up, this is, I think. Pretty happy. Pretty nifty.
So if it don't rain.
Yeah, I know, it seems silly, doesn't it?
Spending time in places like these is fuel for the soul. I'm so grateful to have the ability to chuck on a pack and trek into stunning places. To leave any stress, conveniences and the phone back and simply just be. Having my little tent as home for the night. Freedom is such an addiction for me, as well as being outside. So I know I'll need to live this lifestyle for a very long time to come. Right, sorted everything out. Thinking about getting the old jet boil on and boiling some water to make some food. What a place to spend the night, absolutely stunning. Fairly decent hiking, not that far at all, just a bit steep on some sections. And yeah, nice stroll in. So either tomorrow gonna do a horseshoe round or just make a beeline back to the van depending on how we're feeling and the weather and everything.
I thought you were going to put a snowboard out of my neck. The new Lanshan 2, courtesy of my beautiful girlfriend, Rebecca, Girl Outdoors.
Rebecca.
Oh, I'm going to get told off for calling you
Yeah,
Rebecca.
You
Guys, she's going to do me in now.
Come back, you're making dinner tonight. tonight on the menu I've got some sort of rice satay dish. Should be nice. And have this, watch the sun go down. Can't get better than that. So nice to be out while camping. Good for the soul. So if you had to be real with these freeze-dried meals, I think my favourites would have to be real termat. Some of them are just awful, and even if you're starving after a long night, they just don't cut it. Cold nights camping. It's going to be sub-zero tonight. It's going to be a cold one. There's little bits of patches of snow and ice around. Top tips is eat something warm before you go to sleep, or have a brew. Change your socks out of damp ones or your base layers. Merino is probably the way to go. I've got Bridgedales on at the minute. Warm your bag up before you get in it. Wear a hat so the heat don't escape out your head. Just thermals and like layering systems throughout the day just to keep your body warm. This one's not too shabby. I rate that.
Yeah, we're on Summit to Eat
Oh,
today.
Summit to Eat.
And chicken fajita with rice.
Lovely.
Which sounds nice. 128 grams. And it's producing 604 kcal, which is
Not
nice.
too shabby. Yeah, this one's 600 calories. It started to frost up outside. And yeah, got in my sleeping bag, trying to get cosy and keep a bit of warmth in. But it's been a lush day, really enjoyed it. The stars are absolutely stunning. And I'll see you tomorrow, bright and breezy. Morning. Slept pretty well last night. Really windy this morning, so I'm going to plan on the route that we're taking back. Yeah, nice and cosy, obviously in this little tent. Can't really swing a cat in here, but I guess you save that with the weight and the houseball that goes down. Saying that, have you seen the Lanchan 2? Massive inside, but it goes down really small. But the only thing is Jakey's tent is like dripping in condensation. I used to have that problem, but I started opening this and it's kind of seemed to work. So I've just been doing that to save you being completely dripped on in the morning.
Did you hear that sheep like running between our tents in the night?
No.
He was literally just like, eh, eh, eh.
Absolutely mental. That's been a wild night. Do you want to rate the tent then?
Rate the tent. Right, I've got 3 categories. I've got looks, usability, and quality.
Yeah.
Looks, I'm giving it a 10 all day long.
Yeah.
Usability, the internal is a decent size. It's a very nice spacious area, decent vestibules. I'm giving it a solid 8 for that.
Yeah.
Just because of the headroom with the drippage, a bit annoying. And then what was the third one?
Quality. Quality.
If it was quality, see the quality's lacking, man.
Is it?
Yeah. And obviously bits and bobs are gonna get sorted by gluing, by seam sealing it. But yeah, it's a 3-season tent and we're using it in the frost.
So it did pretty well, didn't it?
Yeah, I'm pretty impressed.
You
with
need
that.
to get one of these far over at Biscay's next birthday, didn't you?
Yeah, I don't think I'm that lucky.
Matt is down. That means it's time to get up. It is so windy outside. A bit different to yesterday. Got a bit of ice down there, if you can see it. Block of ice made into the shape of a snowball. Wonder who done that. But yeah, gonna just pack up everything and sort my tent out. But like you can see, I'm like 5'5", 5'4", whatever it is. And kneeling, I can barely sit up in this tent because it is quite short. But it's quite cosy. If you're interested in any of the kit that I bought on this trip, then I will leave it all in the description on my Amazon page, and from there if you click on them links it helps me out as they're all affiliate links, so I get a small percentage, so it all adds up. Really appreciate it. But this is a really nice Easter summit.
Becky,
yeah.
give me my shoe back. Give me my shoe.
I got.
She stole my shoe.
I've got a Sea to Summit stuff sack that I got because the wrap ones aren't the best, so I've got this. It makes it go so much more smaller and compresses it nicely. So recently I've been trying out these new Keen boots that you see me wearing. These are the Keen NXIS boots and they're waterproof, they're lightweight, so that's why I've been using them for hikes as they're really light. But you've also got that ankle support on them as well. They've got a quick lacing system as well as this really nice thick sole with plenty of grip, and obviously they're waterproof, which is ideal. They're also really comfy and a nice design, so they're fairly new, so it's nice to get used to them and trial them out, as they'd be great for more summer hiking and with the warmer weather because they're really breathable. Right, we are both all packed up now. There's where we camped last night. Absolutely beautiful. Going to have a small hike with the backpacks, getting used to the weight with everything in them, like camping gear and everything. And then make a detour back to the van to head on back down south. So yeah, beautiful. Thank you so much for joining me for another video. I really appreciate if you've watched it all the way through. Thank you to all my Patreons for supporting me and making this possible. I will see you on the next video. Take care. We're now back to the old concrete jungle. Gonna just start making a move, driving home. Yeah, thank you for watching. If you haven't already, follow Jake's Journey, mate.
Live, laugh, love. One peace, one love.